Accuracy in delivery of material is crucial for the success of your business. Mistakes can be costly. Let's see how Opterix ensures defect-free deliveries. We launch Opterix and we are in the store dashboard now. As we can see, all the pendencies for the store are presented in these reports: pending deliveries for retail, pending deliveries for projects, pending deliveries for service, and so on. In the pending deliveries for projects, let's pick this project manager whose deliveries are pending, called Ravi Nistala. We see all these are pending deliveries for this particular project manager for different projects. For example, this Fawad Khan project, we see that there is a requested quantity of 200 and delivered quantity of 0. We double tap and open the requisition editor and see what material is due, and we can see that all these items are available in the stock and we have not delivered any of it, so these can be delivered. So we select these items and hit this option called setup dispatch. When we do that, we are taken to the delivery editor where all the details have been already filled up. A dispatch challan number has been generated and the customer, the delivery location, etc. have been all filled up. We can fill up a vehicle number if required, like that, and then we just have to fill the quantities of the items that we are going to deliver. So we just go to this quantity column and fit the quantities that we want to deliver. We don't have to deliver the complete amount that is being requested. For example, here the requested quantity is 100. We can choose to deliver only 50 here also and save. That's all it takes to create a delivery challan in this system, and it has been generated. As we can see here in this page, we hit this copy and this is the delivery challan format that has been created. It clearly shows the billing address and the customer name and delivery address and the other detail here as required, along with details of all the items that have been delivered. This is how easy it is to create a very accurate delivery challan on Opterix.